We are gradually restarting to go to travel. I look forward to meeting you guys in Kitsuki City. Guess what? There is another travel I'd like to show you today. It's a gourmet travel called Otoriose Gourmet in Japanese that you order the delicious food from all over Japan through online shopping and you can enjoy it at home. Let me walk you through one of the best Kitsuki cuisine. Unagi, a grilled eel. Oita Suisan Company, located in Kitsuki, catches young eels in rivers of Oita Prefecture and farms them with natural hot spring of soft water. They eat feed mixed small fish and shrimps as same as natural eels do. They are raised carefully in high-quality water environment. These methods make them flavorful and tasty. I ordered an oversized unagi for a birthday party that was so big and delicious with a special salty sweet sauce. We had a great time at home. We have a custom of eating eel on a hot day in the summer to gain energy in Japan, especially on the midsummer day of the ox. Eels have vitamin A and vitamin B contained in them, and it's effective for summer heat fatigue. It will be so hot in Japan after the rainy season, and now it's time to have unagi. There are lots of delicious food in Kitsuki you can order online as well, so enjoy! Stay safe and have a nice trip!